Have you ever wondered how a light bulb works? Let's find out together. Inside a light bulb, there is a tiny wire called a filament. When you switch on the light, electricity flows through the filament. This makes the filament heat up really fast. When it gets super hot, it starts to glow, and that's what creates the light you see. But how does electricity get to the filament? It travels through metal contacts at the base of the bulb. These contacts connect to the electrical wires in your lamp or ceiling. When the switch is turned on, electricity moves through these wires and into the bulb. The glass bulb around the filament is very important too. It keeps the filament protected and helps the light spread evenly. The inside of the bulb is often filled with a special gas that makes the filament last longer. So, every time you flip a switch, remember this little journey of electricity making its way to the filament, heating it up, and giving us the bright light we use every day. Isn't it amazing how all these tiny parts work together to light up our world?